about weird.
Oh, guys, come closer.
Come on. Walk slowly.
There's another one over here. It's closer. Hello.
I don't believe this. I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
Welcome.
Please be recording. Please.
Hello.
Marie, I have not seen these two since you were here.
Look at you
the
say I
last
trap
time.
these birds, don't I?
This is beyond weird.
Hello.
Believe it.
So I came to say bye.
Well, yeah. I'm gonna try to walk past them, see if I can get around. This is your day.
That's it. Same other one. We're going to come and eat the other one.
Yep. They probably won't leave anything for the bugs.
Chance they can't get the same too.
How's this for a precious moment to take with you?
You know what these are?
Grant does.
You haven't seen them since when?
Since the last time you were here, April.
It's a little too close to comfort now.
Stick out your hand.
I know.
What are they gonna do? They're friendly.
There's spears on the end there.
Toss some more food down then.
I think he hissed at you when you walked by.
Did you really?
Yeah. He like you surprised.
Yeah, a lot of people I have that effect on.
You can come over here?
Huh?
You can come over here?
I don't know. Stick out your hand.
No. It's a peachy bee. That was a peachy ass bee. I can record you doing that.
I'm not into birds. I'm not into fish. What are the chances of this? What are the friggin' chances? I just can't get over this.
They remembered.
How the hell did they know that you were getting ready to be funneled into an airplane? I wonder if they drink out of the fountain when we're not at home. He's looking at me.
You already come back and said sexy things. She was saying sexy things to believe. Isn't that funny as if they know?
You think you'll let me walk past? Good morning. Good morning. I don't know, I'm kind of intimidated by this guy. He's like he's going to run at me or something.
Slowly sidesteps.